Hi children, in this video I am going to teach you active voice, passive voice, imperative sentences. Imperative sentences. When you hear this word, you have to remember imperative means a sentence begins with a verb. So there will be a verb and an object in this type of sentence in active. The rule is that we have to use let. This is the rule, you remember it. We have to use let plus object plus be, or sometimes we happen to use not to be according to the sentence. Be or not to be plus V3. So this is the easy form. If you have to remember, easy. So shut the door. First example, shut the door. As per rule, we have to use let. Bring the object. Let the door object to the front. This is the rule. Let plus object plus be or not be plus V3. So let the door, we have to use be. Let the door be. What is the third form of shut? Shut. Let the door be shut. Next example. Post the letter at once. What is the verb and object? In active voice and passive voice, imperative, we have to find verb and object. Post. What is the object? Letter. So as per rule, let object, let the letter. To the object we have to use be plus V3. Third form of the verb post is posted. So very easiest form, imperative form. In active voice and passive voice, imperative form is very easy. Let the letter be posted. Let the letter be posted. Next example. Do not starve the cow. Do not. So for this, do not only, we have the rule not to be. You have to use not to be. So find the verb, object, the cow. As per rule, let, object comes to the front, let the cow. We have to use be or not to be. Since do not form is there, we have to use not to be. Let the cow not be V3. We have to use third form of the verb, starve. Let the cow not be starved. Next example, always speak the truth. Do you find any subject? Is always a subject? No. Only a doer of an action will be the subject. Here, always is a time indication. It is an adverb. Okay. Speak. Speak is the verb. We have to find verb and object. Object is here the truth. As per rule, let. If you remember this rule, imperative statements is very easy. I repeat, let plus object plus be or not be plus B3. Okay. So let the truth. Let the truth be. Third form of speak. Speak, spoke, spoken. Let the truth be spoken always. Always comes at the last class. Let the truth be spoken always. Next example. Let him help his brother. Whether this is an active or passive. It's active only, though let is there. Though let is there, this is an active. So when we change, we use this let as it is. No other changes. Some exceptions are there. So let, as usual, verb and object we found. help. His brother is the object. So let his brother be, third form of verb, helped by him. That's all. Let his brother be helped by him. The last 5-6 examples which we saw is of imperative type. Now we are going to see the sentences with modal auxiliaries. Sentences with modal auxiliaries are also the supportive helping verbs. Otherwise, it's called as, or it comes under this helping verbs. You should finish this work. So, now we can go for again our pattern of subject, verb and object. The same rules. Very slight and the easiest form of verbs here. This modal auxiliary, the sentences is very easy to change it into passive. You see, this work should be. So we have to add be, that's all. Along with the modal verb, we have to add be, and the verb will always be in V3 format. Should be finished. Should be finished by you. Very simple, isn't it? Should finish is changed into should be finished. The next example, I can lift this table. What we have to do? Find subject, verb, object. Object comes to the front. This table. What is the verb? Can lift. So, can be. What we have to add? We have to add be after the modal verb. Can be lifted. Third form of the verb. This is the only thing you have to note down. Can be lifted. We have to add by. I is subject comes to object place. I is changed into me. This table can be lifted by me. Next example, he might help me in this matter. Find out SVO. Subject, verb, might help. Object, of course, me. We don't need to worry about the rest of the sentence. Now, object comes to the subject place. Me is changed into I. Might help. So, modal auxiliary, we add be. I might be helped. Help is changed into V3 helped. I might be helped by him. He is changed into him. Subject comes to the place of the object. In this matter. Very simple, isn't it? Question is, he might help me in this matter. Answer, I might be helped by him in this matter. The next example, you should take an umbrella. Subject, you. What is the verb? Should take. What's an object here? An umbrella. So, object comes to the front. An umbrella. Modal auxiliary, add be, change the verb into V3. An umbrella should be taken by, subject comes to object place. You is you. An umbrella should be taken by you. So the main change occurs in verb form and it is very easy when it comes to modal auxiliary. Just we are adding be and verb format will be in V3. This final example for this modal auxiliaries, the principal will address the students. find out SVO. Subject. What's the verb? Will address. Of course, this will stands for simple future also, and will also serves as comes under this modal auxiliary. So anyway, the change is same. Okay, and the students is the check the students. Come to the front. The students comes in the front, isn't it? The students will address is changed into will be addressed. Will be addressed. Addressed after verb we have to use by, and then subject comes to object. Place the principal. So the answer is the students will be addressed by the principal. So my dear children, this video is very easiest grammar part, that is in active voice and passive voice. Still miscellaneous are there. We have seen about imperative and modal auxiliaries in this video. I hope it is clear. Thank you. We'll meet in the next video.